world, welcome and come out to the castle. It's your loyal princess Royal, and we are back with another video. Okay. For that, you apply your cream.
Years later.
So we are back. What I actually am doing is that I want to create a edge, my edges. And don't forget, I already applied my cream, right? I don't know why, but I feel like the grease would help. So it does not remove my hair, the edges. So, right, period. Let's move on to the side. Let me tell you, this is where the problem always comes in. If I'm able to do this side and it looks good, but this side, that's where the trouble is, because I don't know why. It's like maybe because I'm like, I don't have, what am I saying? I'm not, this is not my hand, but this is my hand, and this is the side that actually works with this hand. So we just have to try something now. Something has to be done. So you can see the difference. The difference is why it's like so clear because
I will be the best.
I don't like this one. It's wavy. So the reason for all this hustle, this stress that I'm going through, if you know me, I don't like stress. I don't stress myself, as you know. Obviously. The reason why I'm going through the stress, because even styling of my edges is stress for me. So I just simply brush it back. I don't know if it's anything though. I don't apply it. I just brush the hair back. And as you all know, I take my natural hair very seriously. Whew, Baba Jesus, I'm undergoing this stress because of you people. You should know what I'm sacrificing for you people now. You should appreciate it. It should highly be appreciated. So the main reason for all this ranting is because I wanted to teach people something new. I bet you don't know. It was taught me by a friend of mine, a very generous friend of mine. I don't know if her name, she wants her name to be called in my video, so I don't want to enter trouble. So she actually taught me that. Wait, I don't know if I'm actually singing. When you talk, I'm talking. So I don't know if I'm singing. Let me see. So what I was trying to say was that, or what I'm saying is that you can, after applying your air mask, that's this thing, you can apply your gel on top of it so it will last long. And those, when the gel is dry like this, I don't know if you can see these white things here, you can actually cover it with this. Period. So for me, I prefer to make use of my hand because I don't want to destroy work that I've already suffered to work.